Namaste, this is Jyotsna again. Well, I am here in New Jersey in Bellamade area today, and there is something very interesting happening here. It is the Navratri time, and in India, at the different parts of the country, the Navratri is celebrated in a different symbolic manner. Here at the Shivani Aitha and Sridhar Aitha's residence, who have organized a very grand Bathukamma celebration. So I want to take you for this small journey inside what's happening at Aitha's residence. Thank you so much for inviting me to attend this grand celebration. So what's happening? I would like to know what happens in Bathukamma and what is the symbolic celebration all about.
So Bathukamma is all about live. Bathuku means live longer. So back in India, we actually celebrate this festival with all the flowers which comes from forest, and it's all medicinal flowers. So we make a flower stack, and what we do is we pray around the Mata, and we put the Gauri in there. This is the goddess Gauri, and it's a Telangana regional festival, Bathukamma, and we go around and we do the Visarjan, so that the rivers with the medicinal flowers, the water cleanses, and it's good for your health.
Wow.
So that's the significance of Bathukamma.
Such a beautiful reasoning. I mean, there is medicinal, there is Ayurvedic value,
Yes.
equally the religious aspect when we create a Gauri Mata out of the Bathukamma, the flower decoration, right?
Yes.
So
this is all I'm glad I'm doing here with all the help of my friends. And here,
Yes,
for the
you were
Bathukamma,
introduced.
My backbone is here, both
Beautiful.
of them.
Okay,
So
hello.
both are my spine.
What's your name, sir?
My name is
And one
Narayan
more
Swami.
friend is Lalita. Lalita, ekkadunnao?
So look at this, how beautifully they have decorated all around.
She's another one. So they're all my friends. Where are they?
Nice.
Come, Sharda. So she came all the way from Florida for the Bathukamma festival.
Wow.
I'm so happy to be
All the way from Florida is big.
I'm very happy to be here and thanks to Shivani.
Oh, so thanks so much for Sharda coming all the way, and all my friends.
So how many
They're all here.
people have you invited? Shivani looks like a huge celebration.
Yeah, I think more than 100.
More than 100.
Yeah, I did not invite. It's Mataji who invited everybody, I can say. So they are all my friends. So everything is homemade, like cooking and everything. So these are all I can say that my aunts. So they are here till 4 a.m. and we cooked and we.
Oh my
made
God, you're
Bathukamma.
working since 4 a.m.?
Yeah.
So how many dishes? Looks like a splendid...
There are so many of them.
No,
so
we
many of them are that what is that Telugu regional dishes.
And Sridhar, how did you take the whole planning, being the backbone there at the backbone?
He's
I'm the
my-
backbone. I don't come in the way. They do. This is the core team. They put it all
Okay.
together. I just don't come in the way.
So I cannot
That's
do
it.
anything without his support. So he's the one.
The credit, but he helped a
Yes,
lot.
he is the one. From the morning he's running around doing things, and from yesterday I can say. So he didn't even sleep the whole night.
But it's our team and Magauri, that makes it.
So Devi Ma. I'll take you for a little journey inside now. I'm very excited to witness this. Shivani's Bathukamma has been happening for last many years, but I got the opportunity to visit them today. So let's see what happens next. So look at this. I love this theme. Look at this. Wow. Okay. The Gauri Mata is there. How are you, Kavita? So friends here, and they look so beautiful and different. Look at that, look at that. See how beautifully they have decorated. This is Gauri Mata. Very nice.
I know.
People are getting pictures here. So these are Bathukamma, the Gauri Mata, the Bathukamma flower decoration that they have made here, and everybody brings their own and then they place it. Kya baat hai. This is so beautiful. Everybody is taking pictures here right now. I love the nose pin and everything. Beautiful jewelry. Look at that. This is so good. So Gauri Mata, how they are beautifully decorated. So let me, go further देखते हैं क्या बनाया, what they have cooked. We'll explore that as well. क्या बात है, look at this. You are looking so beautiful. तो आप कौन से अटायर में हैं?
Sure. So I am wearing a patola. He is wearing a Bengali kurta because we just came from Durga Puja. That's the magic of New Jersey, that we can enjoy and adorn all the cultures together. And here we are for Bathukamma at Aitha's home.
Wow, look at that. From Durga Puja to the Bathukamma celebration here. So this is from the west of the India to the south of India. This is the integration we see in America. And
Yeah, so we're going to enjoy. We're going to dance on the very very ethnic songs of Bathukamma, and also we had very good yummy food, like typical South Indian
yeah,
food.
I'm dying to taste it now. So
Yes,
I'm
yes,
just
you
going
should.
to
You
head
should
to
not-
the area and look at the other place. Whoa, look at that! Look at that! Look at that excitement here! Look at this! Oh, it says, look at that. So what is that? See, there's another photography session going here. Another beautiful decoration, huh? Nice. And I love the laddus out there. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. I'm going to follow that later. Looks like a solid food arrangements. Sambar, bagara bangan, aloo, vada. Who would say that we miss India when we have the entire India here in America? Beautiful, yummy delicacies out here, and all handmade. Shivani's friends have made this, so this is more, valuable in terms of, relishing these delicacies. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
You love to explore all the cultures, नहीं है ना? हाँ. Very nice. See how beautifully they have dressed
So
up.
colorful.
I know.
Yeah.
We can celebrate all 365 days,
365
one way or
days.
another way.
Exactly.
Picture session, everything, all session here. This is how people bought their small Bathukammas from their home, and they are just settling them down. And the most interesting part begins now, when they will dance around the Bathukamma. So hang in there. Feel attending the Bathukamma today?
It's a pleasure and always good to see the custom, the colors, like the decoration and the vibe. It's lovely.
Where are you from? Originally from India?
I am from Punjab.
Ooh, so the Punjabi people exploring the South Indian.
Yes, yes. We celebrate Baisakhi and Bathukamma. They're together.
Very nice. Look at that. Where are you from?
I'm from Karnataka but married to Maharashtra, so now Maharashtrian. Yeah.
But the Bathukamma is still new for you,
Yeah,
right?
new for me. Yeah.
Look at that. part of this festivity here, and I'm sure you're missing if you're not here at the Bathukamma right now. Have happy Navratra, happy festivities. Thank you so much. Beautiful Bathukamma celebration, beautifully made those Bathukammas, Magoras, flower arrangement as they say, and that's the spirit here. Almost 100 women here participating, and they belong to different parts of India. Out here in America, of course, integrated, united by the spirit of festivities. This is what, reporting from New Jersey, Bellamede, the beauty of diversity of Indian heritage, Indian culture up here in the United States of America.